Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox to you a brand new Visioner compact Wi-Fi camera. So let's take the package out. It's very good. So you can see first the instruction manual, booklet, some good readings for you. And then this is the compact Visioner device. You can hold it in the hands, it's lightweight, it's very small, compact. It looks great. Then take out the rest of the box. You can see two parts. First part is the cable to have the Visioner powered on. Uses a micro USB cable. And then the installation kit. So this is the tape and this is the magnetic base for you to hook it on to the bottom of the Visioner. And then you can use screws to screw these somewhere to the surface so that it can be attached somewhere. So there you have it. That's the unboxing for Visioner.